In this video we will know why deep learning is a costly affair. Deep learning models have brought great success to NLP applications thanks to the untiring efforts of the ML community to improve the accuracy of these models. These improvements, however, come at a cost. The computational resources required and the time consumed add up to the overall tweaking of the model. NLP models especially, have become quite popular with Microsoft, Google and NVIDIA releasing large models in the past couple of years. But how much does training these models cost is rarely talked about. In an effort to investigate this, Israeli company AI21 Labs published a work detailing the costs of model training. The researchers at AI21 Labs have quantitatively estimated the costs of training differently sized BERT models on the Wikipedia and book Corpora, 15 gigabytes, where they have obtained the cost of one training run, and a typical fully loaded cost. The following figures are based on the experiments carried out at AI21 Labs. $2,500 to $50,000 for 110 million parameters, $10,000 to $200,000 for 340 million parameters, $80,000 to $1.6 million for 1.5 billion parameters. However, the authors admit that the cost can be lower than the ones displayed above owing to using preemptible versions of the system, but not very far from these values. These figures also assume the usage of cloud solutions such as GCP or AWS, and on-premise implementations are sometimes cheaper. Still, the figures provide a general sense of the costs. Based on information released by Google, the researchers estimate that, at list price, training the 11B parameter variant of T5 costs well above $1.3 million for a single run. Assuming 2 to 3 runs of the large model and hundreds of the small ones, the list price tag for the entire project may have been $10 million. A similar but more rigorous approach was taken by Emma Strubel and her colleagues in a work published last year. The results of their work can be seen as follows. Since it has been established that the training of deep learning is indeed an expensive affair. According to AI21 Labs, the factors that contribute to such high costs are as follows. They are 1. Size of a dataset, 2. Model size, and 3. Training volume. The researchers say that an increase in above factors result in an increase in the number of flops, and the costs usually boil down to the number of flops. And since there isn't a proper formula to quantify how many flops are needed for a certain NLP model, things get more complicated.
Like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel to get such regular content. Presentation by NV Gadget Viewer.